Well, I guess you saw it coming, didn't you? Well, if you haven't, here it is. The new AMG GLA35, and here are the 5 things you need to know. As I'm sure you can tell, it looks different from the standard GLA, but let's go through some of the differences. At the front, you get a Panamericana grille, you get triple projector headlamps. Unlike the standard GLA that comes with only 2, you also get the multi-beam LED technology, 20-inch wheels, just like the one you get in the GLB35 with adaptive dampers, huge brakes, a spoiler at the back, and of course, with this being the AMG, it comes with sportier front and rear bumpers with a diffuser. In the engine bay, aside from a really good-looking engine cover, you also get a 2-litre turbocharged engine paired to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission to drive all 4 wheels. This powertrain produces 306 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque for a 0 to 100 time of just 5.2 seconds. Getting inside, you feel like you're in a standard GLA 250, but the devil is in the details. For starters, you get the AMG Performance Steering Wheel with controls by the spokes for suspension settings and even the drive modes. You get a head-up display up front, but master sound system, dual 10.25-inch displays with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone air conditioning, wireless charging, and you again have controls for the suspension, the transmission, and of course the drive modes. Other sporty elements and AMG factors in this cabin includes carbon fiber trims on the dashboard and door trims, AMG mats and door sills, these sport seats with Mercedes manufacturer red seat belts. Aside from the new GLA35, Mercedes-Benz Malaysia has also updated the A35 with features like a head-up display, controls by the AMG Performance Steering Wheel, a 360-degree view monitor, and wireless charging. If you book before the 30th of June, the A35 starts from 325,000 ringgit, while this new GLA35 starts from 345,000 ringgit. After June 30th, the A35 will start from 343,000, while the GLA35 will start from 363,000 ringgit. For more information on both the AMG 35s, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.